Today on Taste Test, we are trying street foods from Japan.
Maggie, have you ever been? What are your vibes on this?
I have never been to Japan.
Okay.
I definitely want to. It's on my top 10 list.
Same.
I just feel like the food is going to be excellent.
Yeah.
And that's like the main reason I would go to Japan.
So what did you do when you were in Japan?
I ate a lot because they have tons of great street food, both sweet and savory, and the culture is really fun. They're a big foodie country.
I've never had Japanese food, so I'm super excited to try.
This is gonna be a fun experience for us both. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that little bell down there to get notifications when we have new episodes.
This is mochi, a traditional Japanese rice cakes that in early times were used as an offering to the gods and afterwards were cut into pieces and shared for good luck.
Later, mochi became a celebratory food eaten as part of the New Year's festivities.
Now, all different types of mochi are enjoyed as daily treats.
So each color, I think, is a different flavor.
My last name's Green, so I'm gonna go with green.
I like that. My last name's not purple, but I like purple. So cheers.
Cheers. Oh, this is so...
So the inside has probably red bean paste. I think that's what it is.
I don't know how to describe this. It's like chewy, but it's not like super sweet, but it's still very sweet.
Mine tastes like grape jelly.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, mine isn't too. It's kind of got like a apple-y kind of flavor a little bit.
But it's really good. The texture is amazing. I love this like super soft jelly gummy texture. It's like super satisfying to me.
It's a ball-shaped snack typically filled with minced octopus, tempura scraps, pickled ginger, and green onion. The balls are brushed with a similar sauce to Worcestershire and sprinkled with dry seaweed and bonito flakes.
Softer than expected. Oh my god.
It's really good.
I hope you like octopus.
I like octopus today.
The inside is moist and like kind of mushy, but
It's
like in a
almost,
good way.
Reminding me of like risotto a little bit.
It's definitely playing up the sweet and savory flavors. And the creaminess from the Japanese mayonnaise really balance out with the Worcestershire tangy sauce.
I feel like I was expecting them to be crispier, but I actually really like the soft texture and the sauce on top and all of the toppings are amazing. Jiggle test?
Yeah, jiggle it.
I mean, they're definitely jiggly.
Similar to regular pancakes, but an emphasis on the eggs. The yolks and whites are separated. The whites are beaten until stiff and folded into a fluffy batter.
Wow, these are really good.
I could take this home, get some bacon, some eggs.
So good.
I actually prefer these over regular pancakes.
They're so much fluffier and lighter that I feel like I can eat more than regular pancakes.
Yeah, they're definitely super fluffy.
I'm just eating air. It's totally fine.
You know what I like about these is that the inside is so fluffy, but the top and the bottom are like super crispy.
By far my favorite pancakes.
Definitely. These give my grandma a fight.
Katsu is usually like a fried and breaded cutlet.
A breaded deep fried pork cutlet sandwich covered in a tangy sauce between two slices of Japanese milk bread. Katsu from the Japanese word for cutlet, and sando derived from the English word sandwich.
This is so good.
Hold up. This is
You
good.
can use it as a snack. You can eat 5 of these for dinner.
Put them in a plastic bag, stuff it in your purse.
The cutlet is delicious.
It's so moist inside and like perfectly crispy.
I'm tasting like a little saucy flavor. What
It's
is that?
tonkatsu. It's
Tonkatsu?
tonkatsu sauce.
Okay.
Which is just a sauce mainly for katsus, which is
Okay.
fried. But it's really tangy and it really cuts all the fat between the cutlet when you're deep frying it.
This is my favorite so far. This is delicious.
I think these are called taiyaki.
Okay, taiyaki.
And yes, I've been to the ice cream version, and it's like this fish, the breaded fish cone with ice cream in it. And every time I like try to get my friends to go, I'm like, we're gonna go have fish ice cream. They give me like the weirdest look.
And it is taiyaki. And it says that the most common filling is red bean paste, which is made from sweetened azuki beans.
Made using regular pancake or waffle batter poured into a fish shape.
This is a very detailed fish.
I don't know how to describe this flavor. It definitely has like you can tell that it's a bean, but it's like sweet in a weird kind of way. Like I've never thought of beans as sweet.
I like that it's not too sweet. I could see myself eating this for breakfast.
The batter is super crispy and thin, which I really like. And then it's like stuffed with red bean paste. I think that was one of the best taste tests I've ever been a part of. Everything was just like so different and unique, and truthfully like nothing I've ever had before, especially street food wise here.
I felt like I was in Japan, and it made me reminisce all the fun flavors, and food is a very nostalgic thing. The flavors brings you right back to where I was standing on that street corner.
This was one of the taste tests in which everything that we ate was enjoyable.
Yes.
Yes, and I have had quite a few of these before, and I just enjoyed having them again.
Being that like I tried everything for the first time, I'm really surprised. Kind of have like a small palate, but I'm, widening it up. And it was a good start. Everything was pretty good.
So let us know in the comments down below what you want to see us do next time. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to Food Network. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.